Good day, everyone. It is nice over here for you and I because learning never ends and education is the key to an impactful life. My name is Anthony Nathaniel.
Good day, everyone. In this episode of Data Processing for SS1, we are going to be dealing with ICT applications in everyday life. Now, ICT is a very important sphere of our lives today because it is a very widely applied technological practice in medicine, in engineering, in technology, and every other sphere of our lives. So, ICT has been very important so far. And ICT is the acronym for Information and Communication Technology. So this ICT has had a lot of applications. ICT has a lot of applications in our life. So the applications of ICT they span different they range from different a lot of spheres of our lives, and many trends in our society claim flexibility due to ICT. For example, we have the educational sector, we have the industry, we have the commerce, we have the banking and different different major spheres of our society. For example, when we start from education, in education, you have computers are used in the sector of education because they can offer interactive experiences. That's the first use for computers. The second one, the second use for computers is teachers can use computers to teach and research for information. Students can also use computers as reference tools. Researchers can use computers to collect and process data. Then number five, school administration can use computers for administrative purposes. That is in the sphere of education. That's for just education. Then when we come to banking, so banking, computers also have a lot of application because in banking, the computer is the nerve center. For example, now we have debit cards, credit cards, and all these useful applications just because of ICT. Now, this ICT it has also affected the time of business. For example, customers can make transactions around the clock, 24/7 because of computers. Then, apart from that, ICT also has applications in industry. For industry, computers are used to facilitate production. They are used to workers are used use machines to make life easier for them. Though today some people talk about automation, but that's not true. It's the reality is that computers have made everything easier. They are not just replacing jobs; they are making even more jobs. For example, we have freelancing, automated jobs. We can hear of all these automation of works by using machines. So they don't just replace; they just make everything easier. The only jobs that computers can replace are the jobs that are not true jobs. You understand? So if a job is a true job, I don't see any way it can be automated because once you call something a job, it should be something that must be performed only by a human. And once anybody attempts to take it over, that becomes an error. Now we also have application of computers in commerce, and we also have applications of computers in different areas of our lives. So there are different impacts of computers. Computers help us to have faster communication speed. It helps us to have lower communication costs. It helps us to have a reliable mode of communication. Because now, for example, when you hear of end-to-end encryption, so this means that when information travels from one end to that other end, it is kind of secured. So there's no compromise of the data security. Then we also have the effective sharing of communication. That means if information is shared from one place, it could go to different places, and it will be shared in every areas of the places that it will reach. For example, we have our radio communication, we have the use of wireless communication. So this makes everything effective and reliable. Then we have the paperless environment. For example, now we can always read e-books. We don't need to buy books anymore. You can always read e-books, all because of ICT. Now we also have borderless communication. So there's no border. For example, I here in Nigeria, I can make a phone call to somebody over there in if you're in America, we can communicate because of ICT. So, but if I begin to talk about the importance, it might be like a lopsided and jaundiced view. But because ICT also has its negative aspects. So the negative aspects of ICT are social problems and health problems. For example, personally, I might want to stay at home and not want to talk to anybody because I have something keeping me busy at home. Some people frown at this, but actually that's the fact. ICT has actually brought some negative applications. But you can also discuss about the more about this topic by answering this question in the comment section of this video. So you can state three everyday uses of ICT. You can list three ways ICT has assisted in social development, and also you can also discuss in the comment section about the ways that you think ICT has affected us and whether it is negative or positive. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next episode.